In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an API token in ClickUp. Whether you're looking to streamline integrations or automate your workflows, having your API token ready is a key first step. ClickUp, a powerful task and project management tool, makes this process straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to generate and securely store your API token. So let's dive right in and get started. First, log into your ClickUp account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where you'd like to generate the API token. If you're managing multiple workspaces, double-check that you're in the one that matches your needs for this integration. Once you're in your dashboard, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. A drop-down menu will appear. Look for and select the option labeled Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where we'll access the API section. On the settings page, locate the ClickUp API option. You'll find it on the left-hand side of the screen in the navigation menu. Click on it to open the API configuration section. If this is your first time accessing this area, you may need to create an app before proceeding further. To do that, click on Create App. This step is essential for setting up your API access. Here, you'll need to enter a meaningful name for your app. Choose something that reflects its purpose, like integration with CRM or automation tool, and fill in any additional required fields as prompted by ClickUp. Once you've completed the form, click on Create to finalize the setup process. After that, ClickUp will display your app's details, including the client ID and client secret. These are important credentials for connecting your app to ClickUp's API. Be sure to copy both the client ID and client secret and save them in a secure location for future use. Next, locate your personal API token. This token might be displayed directly on the app page or available via a copy button. Either way, make sure to copy the API token and store it securely. This token is what you'll use to connect your ClickUp account to other tools or services. And that's it. You've successfully generated your ClickUp API token. Whether you're building custom integrations or enhancing your workflows, this token will be your key to unlocking ClickUp's API capabilities. If you're new to ClickUp, you can find a link in the description below to create an account and get started. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.